النفخ بواسطة الأنابيب. يرجى قراءة بطاقة تعليمات السلامة الموجودة في جيب المقعد أمامك. نخبر الركاب بأن التدخين غير مسموح به في أي مكان على متن الطائرة، وأن أجهزة اكتشاف الدخان مركبة في جميع دورات المياه. غير مسموح باستخدام أجهزة الاستقبال والإرسال اللاسلكي أثناء الرحلة. يجب إغلاق الهواتف الجوالة وأي أجهزة إلكترونية أخرى عند الإقلاع والهبوط. سيداتي سادتي، استعدادا للإقلاع، نرجو من حضراتكم التأكد من ربط أحزمة مقاعدكم بإحكام وإغلاق الطاولات أمامكم، وكذلك إرجاع مقاعدكم ومساندها إلى وضعها الطبيعي وفتح النوافذ بجانبكم. شكرا على اهتمامكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Oman Air. Please pay attention to our safety briefing. Please stow your hand baggage in the overhead locker or beneath the seat in front of you. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. Oxygen masks are located in the panel above you. Should there be a drop in cabin pressure, your oxygen mask will drop automatically. Remain seated and pull it down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Adjust the mask by tightening the elastic band. Always secure your own mask first before assisting others. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, 4 on the left and 4 on the right. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. If the aircraft lands on water, doors 3 left and 3 right must not be used. In the event of poor visibility in the cabin, the photoluminescent lights located on the floor will guide you to your nearest exits. Your life jacket is located in a pouch in the side panel of your seat in business class and under your seat in economy class. In a water evacuation, remove the life jacket from its pouch, slip it over your head, then clip and tighten the strap around your waist. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for takeoff. Please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is stowed, your seat back is in the upright position with the armrest down, and your window blind is open. Thank you for your attention.
المقعد بإحكام حتى يتم إطفاء إشارة ربط الأحزمة. نشكر لكم حسن تعاونكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign. Please return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched on.